Hello there, my name is Konstantin Luchev, and in this video I will show you step by step how to create and publish your A+ content on your book page. First we need to understand what dimensions we need to use, so let's go to our Amazon account and I will show you. Inside our account we need to find our book that we have created. In our case it's composition notebook that we have created in our previous video. If you're interested in how to create cover and interior, then click to this link. So now on the right side, as you can see, there's the three dots. If you choose it, there is a promote and advertise. This is the first type how you can go to and create A+ content. The another variant is to click on the top of this account marketing button. Go inside. And here we are. A+ content, we need to choose the marketplace. In our case it will be amazon.com. Manage A+ content. Now we need to start creating A+. Content name. I used to write a book name. In our case it's composition notebook. By Oliver Grayson. So here we are, add module. When I just have started to use A+ content, I always used to this module, standard image and dark text overlay. In this case, it doesn't mean that you have to use any description on them. I always use only the picture design, that's all. On the top you can see this standard comparison chart model. This model can help you to promote your other books. On the left side you can see this standard company logo, 600 by 180. This is also a popular model that many authors used to. So let's take it. Here we are. And now we see what dimensions we need. 600 by 180. So let's go to Canva website. Create design. Custom size, pixels, 600 by 180. Create new design. Here it is. Now we need to put some information. I will take something from our book. I will choose this background and use it here. Okay, now I want to show how my book can look inside some hands. So let's go to our cover and create one mockup. Composition notebook, save. Here we are. Now go to Canva and create dimensions of our cover. It was 6 by 9 inches. Great. Now go to uploads and upload our composition notebook. Take it, increase the size. Here it is, and this is our front cover. So now we need to download it again. Let's name it cover. Okay, go back to our design, go to elements, uploads, and upload our cover. Here it is. And the next interesting thing that Canva can edit image. Choose smart mockups. And here, as you can see, let's choose some for books. Here it is. Let's take this one. Wait for it. Here it is. So there is empty space on the right side. Let's add some quotes. quotes according to study. So I think Google will help us. Study quotes. Okay. Let's take this one. Motivate to study. Oh, it's good. We see the attribute. Hard work. Interesting one. I will pick up this one. Yeah. Let's go back. Text. Add some text. Okay, don't forget about attributes. Attributes. Okay. Let's reduce the size. Increase this one. And let's change the font. Harry Potter. Interesting idea, but not for our example. It should to be readable, so avoid such kind of fonts. It's hard to read. Here it is. I choose this one. You can choose whatever you want. So let's create another page and we'll show to our customer what interior looks like. Now we need to pick up and show our interior. Download. Let's name it interior. Go back. Uploads. Upload media. Interior. Here it is. Now let's edit image. Add some shadows. It's better look. Come on. Okay. Let's duplicate it. Change the position forward. And the next one. So let's add some information from this side, or just some cute flowers. Watercolor flowers. Okay, here we are. So now we can show our potential customer how this book will look like in their hands, and also we show the interior. Go and download it. The both of them, all pages, download. Desktop, okay, save. Now let's go back to our Amazon account. Click to add an image. Choose. We need to name it. Composition notebook. Cover. You can pick up the name whatever you want. Uploading first. And the next one. So we are not allowed to use those twice. Okay, that's now I understand why I used to this one. In every my book I use more than 3 pictures of that model. We need to delete it and the change for these dimensions, but we will do it very fast. So let's take this one, delete this one, yes, we don't interesting, add background. Now we need to change our dimensions into 970 till 300 pixels. Okay, let's go back, click resize, let's go and change it, copy and resize. Yeah, let's copy and resize. As you can see, nothing changed, but the dimensions is right now. Yeah, cool, everything is perfect. Share, download, PNG, okay. Go back to account, drag this one, composition, cover, the next one, tear it, here it is. So let's go further. We need to apply our ICN number. So let's pick up it from our book. Command C, search, click, apply content, go next. That's how our customer will see our A+ content on our book page. Go further, and that's all. If you can see, there's up to 24 hours for it to appear on the detail page after it's published. But I mentioned sometime it took less than 2 or 5 minutes. Then submit for approval. Okay, mobile phone, here it is. Let's go back to our book. Okay, we need some time, and after 2 minutes or 24 hours we will see our A+ content just right here. So now we all know that we're not able to use twice that model that has dimensions 600 by 180. If you have no idea what to create on your A+ content, then click on this video. In this video I will show you a huge amount of examples on Amazon that can inspire you to create your own unique A+ content for your particular book. So thanks for watching and hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!